All right, Audi fans, the wait is finally over. Meet the all-new 2027 Audi RS5, and it went from fast executive sedan to full-blown hybrid super saloon madness. Under the hood, Audi has fused a twin-turbo 2.9-liter V6 with an electric motor, cranking out a combined punch of around 630 horsepower. That's nearly 200 more than the old RS5. Launching this thing from 0 to 62 miles per hour in roughly 3.6 seconds, while still giving you up to 44 miles of pure electric range when you're feeling civilized or sneaky. Design-wise, it's angrier than ever. Wider RS grille, gigantic air intakes, swollen fenders, carbon diffuser, and those signature oval exhausts still screaming performance even in the hybrid era. Inside, it's gone full spaceship with a triple-screen setup, including a passenger display so your co-pilot can play DJ or navigation boss while you focus on hunting apexes. And here's the twist. The RS5 is now sedan only, with the Coupe officially killed off, marking a whole new direction for Audi Sport. Bottom line, this isn't just an RS5, it's evolved, refined, proving hybrids don't have to be boring. They can be brutally quick, tech-loaded, and daily drivable all in one savage package. Share your thoughts with us. As always, thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, and hit like for more upcoming car leaks and news. I'll see you in the next video.